Is Tatatu really the best social media earning app, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael, and many viewers here on my channel have asked me about this app, so I decided to test it as I thought it sounded quite interesting. And in this Tatatu app review, I'll give you an inside look and show exactly how you can earn and also whether it will really be worth your time. So let's start by going over the basics of what Tatatu is, or what they say on the website. You can see that they say that it's the first platform that rewards you for your social media activities, and you can download it both for iOS devices and for Android devices. And from what I've been able to find out, it's available in most countries. There might be a few it's not available in. You need to go to either the App Store or Google Play and see if it's available in your country and if you can download it. And let me just reveal that you can earn, but there's some very important details you need to consider before finding out if it's actually the right opportunity for you or not. So let me log into the app, and then I will show you how you can earn by using it and also how much value you get for your time. So I have now logged into Tatatu, and it's quite easy to use. When you first log in, you see how many coins, points, whatever you call it, you have up there, and then you can discover people and you can follow different people, and you can scroll through like any other social media there. You can watch different small videos and whatever, and you can pictures, and then you can like it or comment on it, and you can also upload or post yourself, and by doing this you will earn. So it's quite easy to do, and like how to get started in my experience is if you just start following different people, they will start following your back, and then you can start earning by doing that. But let's go over how you earn and the different activities you can do, how many coins you get and all that. So inside the app, at least they have a full overview of how much you earn for the different activities. I do like that aspect. So you can see if you open it up, it says how much could I earn. And for example there, if you view a post there, you get 0.1 of these TTU coins. So that's clearly not a lot. But when you post something, because how you really need to earn is by posting something, because when someone likes it, you see there, you will get one coin there. And if you comment, so you need to engage, then you will get coins there. When someone shares your post, when someone tags you, comments on your post, new follower, you'll get 4 coins there. And when you invite friends there, and you see watch content for every 100 minutes of watching, that's a lot. Like to watch 100 minutes to earn 12 coins there. And then you will also get a joining bonus when you first join. So this is how you can earn. So basically just by using it as a regular social media, then you can start earning, and that's just by scrolling through, liking, commenting, starting following. But in my opinion, that yes, if you can earn really good money, it may be worth it, but it also needs to be something that makes sense as a social media. But to figure out if overall it's just worth it or not, then we need to talk about this, like the payment system. How can you get paid? Because these coins you earn, are they actually worth anything? So let's go over that next. So in the top corner you can see your wallet. So you need to click this one, and then you can see you can redeem these TTUs there. And this is what you need to click, and then you will be taken to a new website. And then you get to this e-commerce web shop, or Tatatu e-commerce, because this is where you need to go to spend your coins. So you will not get paid in cash. That's very important to understand. If you want to earn PayPal cash, I have a video about easy ways to do that. I will leave a link in the top corner. But this is where you can go and basically shop online in their store. So let's say you wanted to choose this category or the home category. Let's try the technology actually. I am curious about to see there. So I would just discover, and I'll click it. And then you can see there's, like, for example, a universal remote control and a suitcase scale. There's some pretty cool products there, and you can just scroll through. So they have a decent selection, not a huge selection, I would say, considering this is the only payout option you have, but a decent selection. About the quality of them, I have no idea where they're sent from, so I can't say that. But what you need to be aware of is that, for example, let's look at this one here. You pay only 24 coins, so it's not that much. It will still take time to reach, but that is not just how you will then get it. You can see the value, or the retail price. They say it's the retail price. Whether it's right or not, I don't know. But what is even more important is that you see this little plus. This is what you need to pay. So you can't get anything without paying anything. That's very important to understand. You see this power bank, you need to pay $5. And if you look down here, there's another one here, you need to pay 5.5, and you pay 6.5. This is very important to understand. There's nothing you can get without also paying something extra. So that's kind of, not quite that great in my opinion. And also, and personally, for example, the country I live in, if I get something shipped from abroad, they will put a VAT on it, and the postal service will charge an extra fee. So that's something you need to also consider. Find out what the rules are in your country, because if not, you can just end up actually costing you a lot more than it would to just buy it in your local country. So that's just something to be aware of. But this is the payout option. The value of the points is quite good, I would say, if this value that they show is correct. I don't know. They can, just write whatever retail price they want. But I can't check if that's correct or not. But not the best payment system in my opinion. So as you can see, Tatatu is actually an app where you can earn by doing different social media activities. However, you do need to do it with the right expectations. First of all, if you're just doing it to earn, then you need to consider the time it takes for you to earn enough coins to get paid. And then you also need to consider that you can only get paid in products, and you will not get any products without paying an extra fee. So yes, they do say on the website, if you look on the website, you can see down here, soon it will be able to spend these coins also at selected locations through some of the partners, in your location or close to you. Like what that means, I don't know if there will still be an extra fee or something like that, but that is kind of a letdown that yes, you can earn, but you cannot get any rewards without paying an extra fee. So that's what you really need to know when it comes to the Tatatu app. And whether it's then worth it for you or not, that is something that is completely up to you to decide. But now at least you know what to expect. But if you're looking for apps or websites where you can earn by doing small tasks without paying any fees to get your rewards, and where you can also get paid in cash, I'll leave a link below to a list I have on my website about the top get paid to websites, so you can check that out. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.